now. I finally don't have to hold that damn camera while videoing in the car headed out. But I got a trip planned this weekend with Hector out to Central Texas. We're going to fish a couple places out there. I haven't got with him in a couple of months, but he sent me a last minute invite, so I'm going to try to get back out there and see if we can get on some for this last summer bite. Maybe do a pre-scout, you know, for the upcoming Lonestar Throwdown. That's middle of this month. So hopefully we can find spots to get on them, and then head back there again, fish for them when the tournament hits in a couple weeks. But it should be a good trip. Just got some spots planned out. Bass are on fire out there. So ready to get out there and get on them. But we're moving on the road now, headed out there. I'll meet him at his house today, and we're going to see if we're going to make it out there this evening or not. And if not, we'll just chill out and strategize for tomorrow. Real quick, guys, shout out to Wicked Weights. They're finally letting me help y'all out. So if you use the discount code CWICKED10 on wickedweights.com website, you get 10% off on your gear. So shout out to them. You know, I've had people hitting me up wanting to get their stuff, but I haven't been able to use any kind of promo code for you to be able to get anything. So hopefully that'll help y'all out. Y'all can check them out. Other than that, guys, we're on the road. I'll see you on a little bit. I just hit Killeen, guys, fixing to hit Fort Hood Street. And to know I was in Killeen, I just saw a decal that said 40s and shorties. Right on, man. You know you're in Killeen when you see that. Right.
The water isn't, but up on the land is.
Yeah. All right, guys, so me and Hector just got on the water, got launched here. Finally was able to get my pedals down, quite a bit of stumps and shallow water, but it's like a good spot. Water looks clear. One guy I'd never fished before in Texas just caught his first bass. He's from South Florida, so he's getting a little bit of taste of that Texas bass action. So awesome for him. Hector over here with the new McCain rod.
Oh yeah.
Hopefully gonna catch one on it. To see if we can put something together. We got a couple hours till dark. Decided to go this afternoon. Quick trip close, and then we'll be hitting the big lake tomorrow. But other than that, stay tuned, see if we can get on some. There he is. Oh, that's a good one. Dude, that may not be a bass. I don't know. If it is, oh, that's a giant. That's a giant. Holy crap. Stay down, stay down, stay down. Oh, yeah, baby! Oh, man. Check that out, guys. I don't know what he is yet. I don't have my hog trawl because we don't have the tournament started yet, but we're going to see here in a second. Yep. All right, guys. 19 on the wacky rig. Cinco on it, man. Just took it up under that tree. Beautiful fish. Go ahead and let it go. Yeah, right on the clump. That ain't bad. God, dog.
So, he came up?
Yeah. All right, guys, quick fish update. We're pretty much as far as we're gonna go for the evening. So we pretty much had a stop point, about to turn it around, work our way back before it gets too dark, fish the rest of what we didn't hit on the way out here. See if we can get on some more. So far, I got the one and lost one. Nothing for Hector yet, but we're gonna stay on them. Hitting the wacky worm and the jigs today. We'll see if we can get on any kind of other pattern than that. There he is. On the wicked weights jig, right off the stump out here, brush pile right in there. Probably 12. Awesome. But just kind of throwing in these piles, as you can see, brush piles and stumps. You know, it's hot in the day, they're deep. Get closer to evening, but I'm finding with this bluegill pattern. Go ahead and show it to you. Right there, that's wicked weights, 1/2 ounce, all tungsten. And that's a Strike King, I guess a Rage Beaver, Strike King Rage Menace, whatever it is, I'm not exactly sure. And then a bluegill pattern from Wicked Weights. So, like that one, caught a few fish on it, throwing it on a medium heavy. So I don't know if you guys saw that from another camera, but first cast on the chatterbait, that bad boy just snapped. I mean, it is gone. Y'all seen that meme where it says when you think you've made the longest cast of your life, and then you see your lure just float to the bottom? Yeah, that was it. All right, guys, well, day 2. Didn't start off the way I wanted to. Lost my chatterbait. Lost my terminal tackle box, snapped some line, just heard the biggest frog blow up of my life, and Kyle's already got one on the board. He said he was fishing offshore, looking on his graph, and found one on the square bill. Got Hector, he missed one on the frog as well, so I don't know how today's go. Hopefully I can find one here soon. Just fishing these reeds up shallow, still early morning. Just frogging for right now, but haven't had any hits yet. I don't know what to do. See what happens. Here we go. Not bad. Man, that took long enough. Not bad. Oh, it's a nice little chunk right there, guys. On the Bayou Bug swim jig, Okeechobee crawl color. Oh, he took it pretty good. That'll work, man. First one of the day. All right, guys, 16.5. First one, finally. Let it go. That'll work. Ain't nothing big, but that'll work. Look at that, just in the corner of the mouth. That's what I'm talking about, son. Out here lake fishing. All right, guys, so quick update. 2 fish for me. Hector got one early this morning. I don't know what Kyle's got. He's probably destroying them. We'll find out on his video. So if y'all haven't already checked out Kyle, he's got a new YouTube page as well. I think it's just under Kyle Schroeder, so check him out. I'll put a link in the description, and check out a couple of his videos. He's been catching them pretty good over the summer. But I'm gonna keep working around here. Got the wind pushing up against the bank. That's where I found my luck on swim jig. I broke off my other chatterbait and switched to swim jig. So caught the last 2 on that. Not back to back, but you know, within 20 or 30 casts of each other. So bait's moving, so I'm gonna keep the moving baits going, see if they'll keep hitting it. There he is. Oh, all right, number 3, guys, on the weedless swim jig. Didn't really feel him take it. Felt the pressure. Look at that, just hardly hooked. That'll work, guys. That's number 3. Get him measured. That's my limit for the KFMV online tournament this month, but hopefully we can come up with something bigger than that. First fish on the jig today, guys. Probably a nice little 16 maybe. On the nice jig right there, son, up in the corner. All right, 17 1/4. That'll work. All right, guys, so into day 2. Sorry about that, had to get that first one out of the way. Didn't even let y'all know what was going on. But actually, we noticed we're in day 3 now. Here with Hector and a couple of his buddies that he's deployed with on his first deployment. And trying to get them on some fish. They're way behind me. I decided to get in front of them, leave them all fish what's behind me, and try to find a little bit further spot here down the river to get on some more. But one so far today, kind of slow, overcast, pretty windy on the river today. But I got the pedal drive working hard, so kind of worn out yesterday from all the pedaling, but been a great weekend so far. You know, after today, I'll be heading back on the road to go back home, but it's been a great trip. Stay with me and we'll see if we can get on a few more. On the swim jig right there in the corner of the mouth. Beautiful. I ain't gonna measure him, that ain't gonna work for my tournament. That's a nice little small one. Check out the tail on that guy. Cool. Good fish. Good fish. Holy crap, good fish. Yes, sir. Alrighty, guys, 17 3/4. Fish number 3. Beautiful, man. Took that swim jig right on the corner, and then he almost jumped off. Ooh, yeah. Alright, guys, quick update. Almost 10:30. I got about another hour and a half or so left. I'm gonna fish. Probably start working my way back, halfway down. So, got to my stopping point. Gonna turn around, catch up with the other guys. But 3 fish so far for the Kayak Fishing Military Veterans online tourney, sitting at 57 inches if they approve everything. So hopefully my teammate can get on some here soon up north. Maybe we can come out with a win or close to it, being the money for it. But if y'all haven't checked out that Facebook page, check it out. It's KFMV Outdoors, and get on there and like it. See if we can get in some more. Yeah.
But they hit it. They hit it hard.
Yeah, I've been seeing a bunch of bait fish.
Have you?
Yeah, that's why I switched to the swim jig. This wind was howling back there, though.
Yeah, that's why I didn't even try to go back there, brother.
Yeah.
It's just, I can't compete in this kayak against that wind.
I hear you.
I'm getting tossed around like ragged on.
Yep. Alright, guys, well, that's it. Day 3 is done. I finished with those 3 fish, and Hector and his other buddy. They ended up with like 1 apiece, I believe, a couple small ones. But hit the road now, headed back home. It's a good trip. Be back in a couple weeks for the Lonestar Throwdown. So y'all get ready for that. Don't forget, we're zoning in on 300 subs. So if you want a chance at that giveaway of some Wicked Weights gear, some Naconiche baits, go ahead and jump on here, man. And ride the channel out for the rest of the year, and let me know what you think. I'm gonna get that out at 300 subs. So once I get 300, the next video, if you get a comment on that one, that'll give you a chance to jump in. But other than that, appreciate y'all watching. Hope you liked it. See y'all on the next one. Later.